Is Sell the Trend still worth it in 2026? Imagine finding your next winning product with just one click. No spreadsheets, no guessing, no endless scrolling through AliExpress. That's what Sell the Trend promises, an all-in-one, AI-powered dropshipping platform designed to find viral products, import them into your store instantly, and automate your business from start to finish. It sounds like the dream tool for e-commerce entrepreneurs, but is it really worth your money? Sell the Trend positions itself as a complete ecosystem for product research and store management. Their key feature, called the Nexus, claims to use AI to analyze millions of items across AliExpress, Amazon, and even TikTok to detect what's trending right now. The idea is simple: use data to find what's hot before everyone else does. And when you log in for the first time, it feels impressive. Clean dashboard, detailed analytics, and tons of product suggestions ready to be imported to your Shopify or WooCommerce store with a single click. But when you look deeper, you start to see what this tool really is: not a magic profit generator, but a sophisticated research assistant. The AI isn't predicting the future. It's showing what's already performing well online. The products you find in the Nexus are often the same ones hundreds of other dropshippers are looking at too. That means competition can spike fast and trends can burn out just as quickly as they appear. So yes, it helps you act faster, but it doesn't guarantee success. Let's talk about pricing. Sell the Trend offers a free trial, which is a great way to test the waters. But after that, it moves to a monthly or yearly subscription that can add up quickly when combined with your Shopify plan. Add costs and supplier fees. Some advanced features, like deeper analytics or premium product data, are locked behind higher-tier plans. It's not overpriced for what it offers, but for beginners, it can feel like an extra pressure before even making your first sale. What makes Sell the Trend stand out is its automation. It connects seamlessly with Shopify and WooCommerce, allowing one-click imports and automatic order processing. It can even help you with video ads and product descriptions, saving a lot of manual work. For experienced sellers, this can mean faster scaling and less repetitive management. But for beginners, that same automation can create the illusion that the platform will do everything for you, which it won't. Dropshipping still depends on marketing skills, ad testing, and customer service. Tools like this are helpers, not replacements. Now, what do real users say? Reviews on Trustpilot and Shopify's App Store are mostly positive, averaging around 4.7 out of 5 stars. People praise the clean interface, fast support team, and time-saving features. However, when you read closely, very few reviews mention actual profit. Most users talk about how easy the platform is to use, not how much money they made. That doesn't make Sell the Trend a scam. It simply shows what the platform truly is: a smart, efficient toolkit. Not a business model. There's also a psychological side to tools like this. The design, charts, trending icons, countdowns plays on our sense of urgency. You see hot products and feel like you're missing out if you don't act right now. That excitement can make you rush into launching a store without a clear strategy. But dropshipping success isn't about who clicks fastest, it's about who markets smartest. Sell the Trend gives you data. How you use it determines the outcome. Compared to alternatives like ZineDrop, Spocket, or Niche Scraper, Sell the Trend offers one of the cleanest interfaces and smoothest integrations. It's a legitimate, well-built platform that keeps improving its features. But it's still a tool, not a shortcut. If you come in expecting a set-it-and-forget-it moneymaker, you'll leave disappointed. If you treat it as a data-driven assistant to make smarter decisions, it can be worth every dollar. So what's the final verdict? Sell the Trend is a reliable and helpful platform for anyone serious about dropshipping. It won't make you rich overnight, but it can make your workflow faster, smarter, and better organized. It's ideal for people who already understand e-commerce fundamentals and want to save time researching products or managing stores. It's not ideal for people looking for instant results without effort. If this review helped you understand what Sell the Trend really offers, share it, leave a comment, and help others make informed decisions before spending their money. Remember, no platform, no AI, and no app will replace hard work, testing, and patience. Use your tools wisely, question every promise, and stay sharp out there.